Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to deposit to Binance Fiat or cryptocurrency on computer. Basically it's pretty easy, just follow the steps I do to not any mistakes. So all we need is open Binance in browser and click buy crypto. Next select the currency in which you want to transfer and the coin you want to receive. For example, top up $100 and get USDT. Always check the fee and choose whether it is profitable for you. But not in every country it is possible to get cryptocurrency in this way. We choose another currency and see that it is impossible to do this. But there is another way to buy using fiat. Select trade and click P2P. On this page you can buy cryptocurrency from real sellers. Choose your currency, for example the dollar, and look at the offers. Choosing the right one and click buy USDT. Then we carefully read the seller's terms and conditions. Also look at these reviews and the percentage of completed transactions. Choose only those sellers who have more than 90%. Then enter the amount in fiat and click buy USDT and transfer the money to the merchant's card. After checking it, he will send you USDT to your wallet. In this way you can also buy Bitcoin, for example select it and look at the offers. If they to-do suit you, then first top up the USDT and then buy Bitcoin. And if, for example, you already have cryptocurrency on other wallets, you can click deposit, then deposit crypto and select a coin to receive. Copy the address and use it to get cryptocurrency. Also watch my other videos about Binance and the link in description and you will learn a lot. I hope guys this tutorial made your life a little bit easy and you like this video. Subscribe to my channel and write your comment. Goodbye, have a nice day.